Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given three circles with radius r1, r2 and r, and it has been given that the sum of the circumference of the two circles with radius r1 and r2 is equal to the circumference of the circle with radius r, and thus we have to find the relation between the radius of these three given circles. So let's write circle 1. So we have circle 1, circle 2, and circle 3. Radius of circle 1 is r1, therefore circumference will be equals 2 pi r1. In this case it will be 2 pi r2, and over here we will have 2 pi r. Let's write over here r1. For circle 2 we have r2, and for circle 3 we have r. Now according to the question, 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2 will be equals 2 pi r. So we can take 2 pi common from the left hand side. So 2 pi multiplied by r1 plus r2 will be equals 2 pi r. Now divide both sides of the equality by 2 pi. So we will have r1 plus r2 equals r. So this will be our required relation. Upon checking the options, we see that option A will be our required final answer. That's it. Thank you and have a great day.